how to set up shipping on Shopify. So the first thing that you want to do is open up your Shopify admin and click on settings in the bottom left corner. After that, click on shipping and delivery. Over here, click on create new profile and give it a name like. Then choose the products you want to include in this profile. After that, create a zone and select the countries or regions you ship to. Over here, click on add rate to set up your shipping rates. Then give the rate a name. Enter the price. After that, click on add conditions and choose based shipping rate. Then choose based on order weight instead. Over here, enter the range and set the price. After that, save your shipping profile and it will be active on your store. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.